Hey guys, this is Nixel, and I'm back to give you a quick tip on how to download Instagram photo on your PC. In fact, there are two ways. In case you don't know how to do it, there are two ways to download your desired photo from the Instagram to your PC. First of all, you have to find the desired photo. So if you want to, for example, download this, just click on it. And the first way is just to copy this link and go to this site, downloadgram.com, paste it here and just download and click on download image. The second way to download it is to go again to your desired photo and go to right click and view page info. Right here you go to media and simply just search for your desired photo you want to download. So for example, if you want to download this, just find it, right click on it, go to copy and then just go to new tab, open it, paste it, and here it is. I think this is my icon from it's not that photo, it's icon from here, so I didn't pick well. That's why it's just an icon of about 120 and 120 pixels. So again, if you want to download something like this, just click on it, go to view page info and go to media and find your photo and copy it and just go to new tab, paste it and download it. So I hope I didn't take too much time, guys, and see ya.